Let's talk about Hawaii. Hawaii is a group of islands in the Pacific Ocean. Hawaii is famous for its beautiful beaches and warm water. The sky is almost always blue. Waikiki is one of the most famous beaches in the world. It is in Honolulu, Hawaii. Surfing was born in Hawaii. It is very popular, and many visitors try it for the first time. Hawaii has active volcanoes. On the Big Island, you can see lava and volcanic craters. The lei is a Hawaii tradition. It is a necklace of fresh flowers given as a gift. The hula is a traditional Hawaiian dance. Dancers move their hands and hips to tell stories. Poke is a Hawaiian dish. It is fresh, raw fish served with rice and vegetables. Spam musubi is a very popular snack. It is a slice of grilled spam on rice wrapped in seaweed. Many Japanese tourists visit Hawaii every year. Japanese is spoken in many tourist areas. Aloha is the Hawaiian word for hello, goodbye, and love. The Hawaiian climate is warm all year. There is a dry season and a rainy season. Hawaii is a tropical island. Hibiscus flowers and green sea turtles are symbols of the islands. Hawaii is a warm and welcoming place. Many people say it feels like paradise.